Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll be completing a task under Asynchronous Apex, which is use BatchApex. So just click on it. After clicking, we'll be landing in this page. Come to challenge. Here, copy the name which is lead processor. Do Control C or right click and copy. After that, hit on launch button. After that, we'll be landed in this page. Here in the top right corner, there is a garage. Just click on it. After that, click on Developer Console. We'll be landing in the Developer Console. Click on File, click on New, then Apex class, and paste what we have copied. Then click on OK. After that, I'll be providing a code in the comment section. So just copy the code and paste it here. Wait for a second. Yeah, we'll paste it here. After that, go to file, then save it. After saving, come to the page from where we have started our challenge. Then again click on copy this name, which is lead processor test. Then come to developer console. Here click on file, new, Apex class, and paste it. After that, click on OK. Once this is created, then again I will be providing a code in the description box or the comment section. You can go there and copy and paste it here. After that, go to file, again save it. Once it's saved, we can see saving, it's coming here. Yeah, it's saved now. Then click on test, then run all. Once it's successfully run, then we can come here in the page from where we started our launch. Then we can click here to earn points. So guys, see, I'm not saying this in the earlier stage because it will waste your time. Please like and subscribe my channel. It will motivate me to bring more content to you. Yeah, as you can see, this is this task is completed. So in the next task, we will be completing control process with doing Apex. Thank you for watching.